Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and I'm going to show you how to knit with pencils. Knitting with pencils seems reasonable. They're pointy, they look a lot like knitting needles, but the points and the lead would get your knitting dirty. So if we break the point, and luckily it comes out a bit, and then sand it on some very rough sandpaper. You see I'm kind of turning it as I sand it to keep that pointy shape. You've got something that's not going to get your knitting dirty, but it's also a little bit rough. So I'm going to smooth it out with some 220. I believe this is 100. The lower the number, the grittier it is. And this is a finer grit. So I'm going to smooth this up. All right, that looks like that will do. Now we need another one. So I've got my needles ready. They're pretty smooth. I might find that they're not smooth enough, but I'm going to cast on. And you've probably already guessed, if you can do this with pencils, you can also do it with toothpicks. A few stitches to give you the idea. They could be a little smoother. It just makes it easier when they're smoother. I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and that was Knitting with Pencils.